I'm going to do some example problems from the Algebra 1 homework. This was from the worksheet 110, and all you have to do is plug the numbers in and see if they make the equation or inequality true. It's an open sentence because it depends on what number you plug in for the variable, whether it's true or false, and they give you the variable or the value of the variable they want you to plug in. So all you have to do is substitute 54 in place of this m. So we're going to copy down the problem, but instead of m, we're going to put in 54, and then you are going to evaluate it using the order of operations and see if it's true or false. 54 divided by 6 is 9. Bring down the 15. Is this a true equation or false equation? This side's 24. 9 plus 15 is also 24. So this one is true. Now the code down at the bottom, it says, pick a yes or a no. All right, let's go on to the next problem. For this one, we're going to plug a 10 in for x, and again, evaluate using the order of operations. So in place of the x, I'm going to write a 10. I'm going to copy the rest of the problem down so that we can see if the equation is true. Be careful. A very common mistake is for people to do 4 times 10 and then square it, but that's not correct. Remember, the order of operations, parentheses first, then exponents. Then multiply and divide, and then add and subtract as last. But we need to do exponents before we can multiply. So 10 to the second power is 100. So we have 4 times 100, subtract 1, and is that equal to 399? Yes, it is, because 4 times 100 is 400, subtract 1 is 399. So 400 minus 1, yes, that is a true equation. 399 is equal to 399. So that would be a yes, that is a true equation. Now we have some other problems which are inequalities, but that's okay. We just still plug the number in for the variables and work the problem out on both sides of the inequality and see if it's true or false. So for this one, I'm going to substitute a 4 in place of w, but I got to replace the w here and here and here. You're going to replace all those with 4. So here we go. 24 subtract 4 all over 4 is less than or equal to 3 times 4 minus 8. So I'm going to work out this side, the fraction bar. We need to do that, the top part first. 24 minus 4 is 20, divided by 4. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 8, and the last step over here is divide. And then the last step over here is subtract. Now, is this a true or false statement? This says 5 is less than or equal to 4. That's false. All right, so because that's false, this is a no. This number 4 is not a solution to this inequality.